Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video on an at-home IPL laser hair removal device. So here is the box that it comes in. So I just want to quickly go over the instruction manual that it came with. So on the first page here, it pretty much just says what is in the package. And over here, it says pretty much what every button does. And then of course it says how to use it. It says to make sure you have shaved, cleaned, and dried. And I did that last night. Charge the device. Safety glasses should be worn. So I'm just gonna use some sunglasses that I have. Long press the power button to turn it on, and short press it to select the level for your skin tone. Hold the device to be fully in contact with your skin, and then long press the button to turn it off. Okay, so that's pretty self-explanatory, honestly. It seems very easy to use. I have my sunglasses here for my eye protection. I am going to show you guys and try it first on my leg just to kind of get the gist of how it works, and then I will show you more clearly on my armpits because that will be a lot easier for you to see. Okay, so here is the device and there's me in the reflection. So pretty much how you turn it on is you're just going to use this power button and hold it down. And now you can see all of the numbers on the top are lighting up. And right now it's set at level 1. You can just change the level just by pressing the power button one quick time. So that's level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, but I'm going to use it at level 1 because that is what is recommended to start with. Okay, so this is really weird, but here's my thigh. So yeah, I'm just gonna start here. Okay, but that's so cool. It can like sense when it's on your skin, so it won't do the flashes when it's not on your skin. It's safe to say that that actually didn't hurt at all. I didn't feel anything, but also the leg hair on my legs is also pretty light. So I'm going to try it on my armpits for the real deal because that hair is a little darker. The flash is definitely warm. It's definitely doing something. That was so quick and easy though. Like I just did both my armpits in like less than a minute. Overall, I actually really like this device. I did have another laser hair removal device, but it was a lot bigger and hard to handle. This just like fits in your hand perfectly. And also I love how the cord can unplug. In my other one, it doesn't do that. So this makes it really easy to kind of like store and also to just clean off. I really do like the size of this. It just fits in your hand so perfectly. And also I wanted to mention that I have had laser hair removal done in the past a few times and spent quite a bit of money on it, and it didn't really fully work because you need a lot of sessions and that can be very expensive, and that is when one of these at-home devices comes into play. They will save you a lot of money, and it's also super easy. There's no reason you shouldn't be able to do it for yourself. I will leave the link for this down below in my description, and if you haven't seen already, don't forget to check out my ultrasonic skin scrubber video that I posted in my last video. I will link that down below as well. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you buy this, what you think of it, and also if you have any other ideas for videos, also leave those below in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.